angel boy. You say that. Never gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance.
Hey besties, welcome back to another video. I am Adiah, and in this video I will be showing you guys my natural shaving routine for her. And let's jump right into this video. I always start off with a dry surface because I feel like that's just what works best for me. And I always use a shaving cream for her. And I also feel like using a shaving stick, this routine will apply to it as well, so you're Gucci. So I usually just use my finger and I just spread a generous amount of the shaving cream on her. Please guys, never ever get this inside her because it will mess up your system, plus the shave will hurt like a bee. So just be really careful and don't rush yourself, obviously.
Angel boy. Late nights, calls on the phone, I want late nights.
I use a wipe to clean it off, but I rinse off the wipe. It's either you leave it dry or you can rinse off with warm water depending on what you like.
Damn. Your perfect face, not to mention your perfect body elegance. The way you move while you're dancing. You say that I'm your favorite toy, but
I love how this feels after I'm done.
angel boy, angel boy.
Because bruh, she feels edible and we ain't even done yet. And I usually like to scrub a little rough, honestly, because I like to really get into, you know, the pores and get it clean. This just prevents a lot of things, so I really like to deeply exfoliate.
Boy, never gonna stand a chance. Angel boy. You say that I'm your favorite toy, but I'll never be your angel boy. Angel boy. You say that I'm your favorite toy, but I'll never be your angel boy. Angel boy.
Then after that, I just use my turmeric mask because honestly, I trust turmeric to remove every and anything. Like, but however, because you scrubbed and now you're using turmeric, if you've used turmeric before, you know that turmeric stings. So I would advise you probably mix the turmeric with Greek yogurt. But if you're not too troubled about the stinging feeling, then you can leave it on, but just not leave it on as long.
Chance, heartbreak like a sad romance.
So after this, I like to wash it off. This is the part I use water because I like to get the turmeric off of her. And then usually there's always a yellow cast from the turmeric, so I just use a wipe to wipe that off. Please guys, make sure none of this goes inside you.
Body elegance, the way you move while you're dancing. You say that I'm your favorite toy.
Alright guys, so honestly for me this is the star of the show, this oil mask. Now I love this thing so much, and this is by far my favorite product to use when shaving because this contains honey, shea butter, contains turmeric, this contains coffee, so it depuffs, it removes hyperpigmentation, it softens your skin. Honestly, I leave this mask on for like dead on 20 minutes because when you rinse it off, you feel so soft, like there's no room to get itchy whatsoever.
Stare, want your body. Damn. Your perfect face, not to mention your perfect body elegance. The way you move while you're dancing.
And then after that, I apply a generous amount of coconut oil and I just massage her, make sure everywhere is like real soft.
Angel boy, you say that
After that, I wear something really big, or sometimes honestly I don't wear anything. Like wear like a big tee and I go around my life.
Never gonna stand a chance. Angel.
So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you try any of these things. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Angel boy.